Chapter 2. Creating Window in Pygame 0. 2. How to fill window with color.
How can I set the color of the window?
You can set the color of the window using screen.fill method. The screen.fill method can fill window with the specified color.
How can I specify the color?
Python has lots of standard colors. Try some out.
What is def?
The def keyword defines a function in Python. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task.
What is the draw function?
The draw function can draw window and objects.
What does the screen.clear method mean?
In Pygame 0, the draw function is called 60 times every second to redraw the window. Every time the window is redrawn, we must clear everything off it and fill it with a color. Let's run this code. The window filled light sky blue is displayed.